I found something on the ground. Is a Samsung Galaxy S8 motherboard. Let's see what else we need besides the motherboard. First we to buy back cover. Different kind of quality you can find here. This one is close to the original. Second we need the frame. They are separate from the screen. Third we need phone part. This store has different series of phone part. Packed and ready for sale. Any model you can name it you can find in the market. This store just one of them. Here has a lot of store like this. Then we need a screen. The screen just replaced with glass. Let's start. After testing, concealed in box for resales. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe me and give me a like. What other model you want to see, leave you comment below.